Welcome back, Review Sample Z on YouTube. Today we're going to look at how to do gradient colors in WPF and things like that. So I'm going to start by creating a new project, WPF application, then next, and okay, so you select a location where you save your project. I'll save mine in this folder here, and I'll click next. Then if you guys are using .NET 9, follow along. I'll use .NET 8 long-term support. Okay, so let me just change the orientation here. Let me bring this side. Okay, so that's much better there. Then what we're going to do here to save time, I'll just paste this. Okay, so you guys will just copy that code there and write it there and thing like that. Then we'll save. Then let's get started. First things, what's the first thing? Okay, let's do the background color. Okay, so let's go. We look at method number 1. So method number 1, we want to do gradient colors around the border, area of the border control. Border brush. Just for starters at least. Border thickness, let's make that 4. Then background, let's make that transparent. Let's close that tag. Let's close it like this. Okay, so like that. Then let's give it width. Depth, let's say 300. Height 300. Okay, so there we are. Corner radius, let's make that 24 now. Okay, so there we are. Okay, so border brush, method 1. So let's get right into it. Linear gradient brush. Gradient stop. Okay, so let's select 1, 2. Then we'll have 3 of those there. Then we'll come here. We'll add our first color. So what we're going to do is we'll get rid of this. We don't need this. Let's just get the color there. We don't need that, so get rid of that. Then Okay, so there we are. Then offset. And we'll come here again. Just paste that there and paste that there. So there's our border brush, the colors there. Now let's change the offset. 0.50. Then this one, the offset will be 1. Then let's add some colors there. Okay, let's get that color. Let's put that there. Okay, as it's starting to take shape, let's put another color there. Okay, so that is starting to look more interesting there. Okay, then what we're going to do to save time, we'll copy just that on top there, Control C, and we'll come and work on method 2. So method 2 there. Let me just bring this into perspective. Okay, I'll bring this into perspective also. Then let's just close that border there. And here, what we're looking for now is this border dot. We're going to fill in the background with gradient colors now. Okay, then here, linear gradient brush, and we'll just close that. Then in linear gradient brush, we're just going to copy these colors here, then Control C, then Control V. Then we have squiggly lines here, so get rid of the background. We don't need that anymore. So we'll press S. So there's our gradient colors there, so we can mess around with them. Can mess around with the offset. Then we can also do this. Is that here? No. Okay, so we can give the colors a start point. So we can say 0.0. Then we can come with an end point. Okay, equals 1.1. What's going on here? What's wrong with those numbers? Oh, okay. It's like this. Zero, comma 0. Then 1,1 there. So that changes there. There's some propagation that took place. So we can do the same. Get this and put this here also. You can do the same there. So something might propagate there. Let's see. Yeah, the colors propagated there. So we can put that back to 1,1. Then we can change the offset. So here maybe we can say 0.76, then here 0.5, then here you can say 0.9. So that changes the gradient color position on the border brush. So let's see if we can do the same here. 0.10, 80 and 0 there. So that has changed the offset of the colors, and this is how we do gradient colors in WPF. So you can do that for the background of the application. Of course, you have to apply a border. Then this background, you make it transparent and use that border there. You use that border background there. Then the border brush, that's the same thing there. Then this is the end of this video. Review example Z on YouTube. Let's have a look at this in action before we go. Review Sample Z on YouTube. Remember to like and subscribe and share. And yeah, let's have a look at this running. Border brush method 1, border background method 2 there. So that's how we do gradient colors in WPF. Like I said, like